In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a view in Airtable. First, open Airtable in your browser and sign in so you land on your workspace. From here, click into the app or base that contains the data you want to share. If you use multiple bases, take a second to make sure you're entering the one with the specific view you want others to see. Once you're inside, switch to that exact view so you're sharing the right slice of information. Now look to the top right of the screen and click the Share button. This opens the sharing panel, which is where you control who can access this content and at what level. In the invite field, type the email address of the person or team you want to share with. It's best to use their work email to keep everything organized and to ensure the invite reaches the right inbox. Next, choose the permission level. Click Creator to see the highest level of access. Creators can modify the structure of the base, fields, and permissions, so this is typically reserved for owners or admins who design and maintain the system. If that's more access than needed, click Editor. Editors can add and update records and are great for teammates who actively contribute data without changing the underlying setup. Click Commenter if you want someone to provide feedback without editing any data, perfect for stakeholders who need to review and discuss. Finally, click Read Only for viewers who just need to look, filter, or sort on their own without saving changes. Clicking through these options is a helpful way to confirm what each role enables, then settle on the one that fits the person you're inviting. In the message box, type a short note to give context. Mention what this view includes, why you're sharing it, and any expectations like deadlines or what to review. A clear message helps the recipient know exactly where to start and reduces back and forth later. When everything looks right, email entered, permission chosen, and message added, click Invite to send the invitation. Airtable will email the recipient with a link and they'll be able to access the view using the permission level you assigned. That's it, you've shared your view directly by email with the right level of access and a helpful note for context. If you ever need to adjust or remove access, return to the Share panel to update permissions. For external reviewers or broad audiences, read-only is usually the safest choice. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Airtable.